Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to create a poll in Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First open Instagram on your phone. Click the top left button, which is your story. You'll see the images on your phone popping up. Select one of them, click, then click the sticker button at top. After that, select the poll option. Write the number of the poll you want to make. You can write down anything you want to. You can also edit the options, which I haven't done here, but you can do that. After that, place it wherever you want to place it. Click the arrow there. Share your story then. That's it. That's how you make a poll in Instagram. Hope you guys like this video. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Peace.